everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you're all having a lovely day. My favorite day. A lovely day. It's my favorite day. It's Boxycharm day. So this is April's Boxycharm box. It is $25 a month. And then every
29?
25?
Oh, that's better than 29.
American. So it's like 47 Canadian. It actually feels pretty hefty. So this is the standard box, and every 3 months I get the Boxy Luxe, which is another $24.99. And that one has always got some fine quality items. All right, so let's get into it. So here is what the box looks like. And the theme is sweet treats. And on the back it tells us all the things that we are going to get. Let's delve in. All right, item number 1 is, whoa, that's a shiny box.
It's quite packaged.
It's pretty packaged. Yeah. So that is from Eloise. It is a Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator.
What's that mean?
Can be used on the body and the face. So it's like a...
Makes you glow?
Makes you glowy.
In the dark?
I don't think in the dark. I've
like
got glow drops that I use for
because
my
a lot of
face
lotions will give you a sheen, right? Oh!
It's broken now.
Maybe because of the
holy moly! That is some glittery stuff.
Glittery.
What does it say to do?
I'm gonna guess
apply 2 to 3 pumps to cover a large area, or 1 for a subtle glow.
I would just do 1 pump right now.
I think probably this one will. Look, that's a nice package, though, eh?
Yeah. Oh. You gotta prime it. It's not working.
Oh, it's gonna be on the next one. Oh,
okay.
Oh,
okay. At least you felt it coming through, I guess.
Yeah. That is that's got some glow to it. Oh my.
Oh wow, that is intense. Just like camping.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. It's a dad joke of the day.
So it's very glowy.
It makes you glow.
Look, I got a burn on my hand.
Makes you glow.
Definitely makes you glow. I'm going to be shimmering for days on end now, probably. But that's a nice product, you know. When you hit the club,
then the light reflects off of you and attracts mates.
We can't go anywhere. I don't need to attract a mate anymore.
Well, that's what it would do, though.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good to know.
Yeah.
All right. Next up, I have another box from Studio Makeup. It is a tinted moisturizer formulated with hyaluronic acid. Hydrating, firming, and youthful effect. I do like a nice hyaluronic acid product. And I would definitely use a tinted moisturizer. Tinted moisturizer. That's quite a nice size. How many ounces are we talking here?
It looks like a full-size product.
1.5 fluid. They're all full size in the Boxycharm.
Oh, I thought you get sample sizes.
No, Boxycharm's all full size, guys.
Oh, that's nice. Okay. So
this is 1.5 fluid ounces or 42 mils. It's like the biggest squeezy tube I ever saw.
What's that for?
This is for your face.
Yes. Is that also a glowing?
Nope. Well, I don't think so.
You're putting it on your hand that has glowings on it.
I know, but I'm going to see.
You have to prime that one too. It should be just a... Oh, there's no tubey. How come there's no tubey? Is it supposed to be?
Yep.
Oh no.
Maybe? I
mean, hold it upside down and pump it.
Maybe. Okay. Well, that doesn't look right.
I don't know. Try it.
It doesn't...
There should be there. Are you supposed to squeeze it into the pump thing and then do it, or I don't know?
It doesn't feel like there's a tube in here. Okay, so let's just swatch it like this then.
Okay.
But that's not very helpful.
Maybe we're just really messing it up. Really
Here,
bad.
you look. You're handy to have around. So this is the tinted color.
Well, the print is like this, so I think maybe you have to hold it. See the print on the back?
Yeah.
So you read it like that, so I think maybe you have to hold it upside down. I don't know.
Oh, it smells kind of like coconutty. Works into the skin nicely.
Maybe give it a squeeze.
But that's what I did.
It
just doesn't feel natural. All right, we'll have to...
It sounded like, okay, well, maybe it wasn't.
I just want
to see it work. I don't want it to not work. Oh, there it goes.
Okay, so you have to hold it upside down.
Okay.
But now look at all the product I've wasted.
Maybe that's just the right amount.
Well, not for now.
Oh, okay.
Let's just scrape that back in. That's sanitary, right?
Yeah.
All right, that was very exciting. All right, next up, another squeezy tube. Hopefully, we have some more luck. So this is from Terre de Mars. See how I didn't even try and pronounce that with my French accent. It is a Radition body cleanser.
I think if you did the true, like the real deal French people would critique you. Yeah.
So this has coffee extract, which is an antioxidant, verbena, which tones, and aloe vera, which moisturizes. I bet you this smells really good. And we have got 150 mils or 5.07 fluid ounces.
Wow, what's happening?
Oh, it doesn't have a seal on it.
Oh, it doesn't? Oh, that's nice smell.
Remember in like the early 2000s when everything was like coconut lime verbena?
No.
It makes a really good sound too. Wait.
I want to smell it though.
Wait.
Yeah, I get this. Yes.
It smells really good. You definitely get the verbena. You smell, it sounds like a pig sniffing for truffles or something.
Yeah.
All right, so that's that. We have 2 items left. Oh my.
Wow.
So this is from Monarch. What is it? Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. This is Monarch Lash Pack. Monarch Lash Pack. And it includes top lash, baby girl, ankle lash for iconic cat eye effect, and bottom lash charmer.
Can you say the name of it?
What?
Flashalicious?
Flirtatious?
Oh, okay, sorry.
Oh, you're reading that. I didn't even see that. Flirtatious. So it's got some lashes.
Okay.
2 sets. I've never, ever worn fake lashes. I have a set that I got in a box.
Those are pretty robust looking.
Like 2 years ago.
Is that real people's eyelashes though?
No way. It's not made from humans. I don't think.
I hope
not.
It's made from the butt hair of a wombat.
Okay. Well, there you go. So it's got.
I don't know if that's true or not.
Nice.
What's that for?
It's to apply. So like grab the lash and you put it on.
Oh, like tweezers for
If somebody was gonna try to do that with me, I'd be like this.
Yeah, I wouldn't do it.
Nope.
So there's actual glue on those, and then you stick it.
No, you have to buy glue separately. I think.
Oh, okay. Right.
Yeah.
They look really nice, like for eyelash quality.
They do.
Whatever. I don't know.
You're right. They do. Does it say bottom lash?
Do you do them both?
Instant dull eye effect. I'm not going to be doing that.
I think you put one on the top and one on the bottom. Wow.
I think that probably I just put them on the top if I was ever.
I just really know nothing about fake lashes. So
That's okay.
I don't mean to sound really critical.
No, I don't know either.
It looks like it's a nice quality product.
I don't know what makes a good eyelash.
I'm just trying to imagine those on you, and I would know right away that they're fake, just because you don't have crazy eyelashes like that.
I don't have very big eyelashes.
But if you, I don't know, maybe if somebody just met you, they would think they were your real eyelashes. I don't know.
Oh, not once I tried to put them on. I'd be like glue everywhere.
Yeah.
I'll just stick with mascara for now. I'll try these out someday. I've said that on the lashes I got like 2 years ago, and they're still in the box in my makeup room. All right, last item. Oh, I recognize this box.
It says Natasha Denona on the back.
It does?
Yes. Did you pick that one?
No, I didn't. I don't pick anything.
Oh, okay.
So this is the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. 5 eyeshadow palette. I love Natasha Denona.
What?
I think that there was 2, and one of them was very like tropical, and this one is definitely more up my alley.
More earthy?
Yeah, like more neutral. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't have a lot of neutral palettes, like brown neutrals.
Okay, well now you have a 5-packer.
That's beautiful. Should we swatch it?
Sure. I mean, I've seen you swatch Natasha Denona palettes before. They always are impressively pigmented.
She's got this because they're really good quality.
Yeah.
Very expansive. I like that she's in these boxes now. I really do.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. They all go on really thick. Like, really nice. Okay.
Like, look at her shimmers.
Yeah.
Oh, like, even that really light color. Look at how it showed up there.
Yeah. I wonder what the base is for those palettes.
Oh,
oh no!
Oh no!
Oh no! Oh, they just popped out. You can
They're
pop them back
magnetic.
in.
It's okay.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
Oh
cool.
my god. Oh no. Oh jeez.
Did you fracture any of them? Or?
I don't think so.
Okay.
This is why I can't have nice things. It's okay.
No, it looks nice. It looks nice.
Look how red my face got just from doing that because I'm a bonehead. I'm very excited to have got this. Boxycharm gave me my first Natasha Denona palette.
Oh, did they?
Remember, we got the Peak palette last year.
Okay.
I'm just gonna look at this for the rest of the evening. Okay. All right, let's get some totals. So the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette, $48.
48. Nice.
The Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer is $35. The Eloise Beauty Body Glow is $38.
Ooh, no.
Oh, and every box is supposed to be worth over
$48.35. Okay.
$100.
Hang on.
Okay.
Okay, carry on. Sorry.
The Flirtatious Looks Lash Pack, $38. And the Terre de Mars Body Cleanser, $22. What's our total?
The grand total of all of those items is $181.
Well, that's very good. So yeah, each box is supposed to be $100 or more in value. That's almost twice that. I paid $25 for it. Yeah. So I'm very excited.
You get nice stuff.
Let's pick our favorite things. I bet you can't guess what my favorite things are.
Palette, I guess.
I feel like I didn't put these back in the right order.
That's okay.
They're magnetic, which is nice because then you can rearrange your palettes if you wanted to. This is my favorite.
Are her full-size palettes the same way?
Mm-hmm.
Could you put those into a full-size palette if you wanted to? Mm-hmm. Well, that's really cool.
Yeah, and like those are some nice size pans.
Yeah.
All right, so this for sure. And then what? I think probably the Tinted Moisturizer if I can ever figure out how to use it.
Is that the glowy one? No.
This one. Okay. Yeah. And then...
Why is that? Because you couldn't figure out how to get that to work before.
Why is what?
Why is that your favorite?
Because I can use... I'll definitely use this.
Okay.
And plus, you helped me figure it out. Right. And then the body cleanser. Yeah. And then the glow drops. And then the lashes, just because they terrify me. Like, literally, I'm terrified.
I bet somebody out there thinks it's so easy.
Oh, I know. They're the same people that
maybe those people could comment on your videos and you can mail them the eyelashes. That'd be crazy.
Yes, if you want these eyelashes.
You should. Why wouldn't you?
And then, I was going to say something else.
Oh.
Oh yeah, they're probably already also the people that can just apply eyeliner like this and when they're done.
Yeah, skilled people.
Yeah, I'm not skilled. I enjoy myself, but I'm not skilled at it. Yeah. All right, so yeah, that was April's Boxycharm. It was a really nice box. Very nice box.
Very nice. I like the palette. Yes.
I do like the palette. Like, feel how hefty that is. That's
I know.
A fine quality item.
The Denonas and the Huda Beauties and all that. I said two of them in the same sentence.
I think one video we're going to have you put eyeshadow on me.
Oh, that's not going to go well. I don't want to do it with a nice one like that.
Why not?
Because I'll waste it.
I can hear it snowing again.
Yeah.
It's April and it's snowing where I am. Anyways, yes, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We rambled a little bit. That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah. I hope you all have a great day. If you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can click like down below. You can hit here to subscribe, and there's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. Hope you all have a great day. Thanks for watching.